Yes, sir. So I got this far. So I gotta put the other door on, but I got this fencing. And what I want to do is I want to keep this thing open. So I had the plastic on the back for about a day, and that proved to be real quick that it was just too hot. So I took the plastic down. I like this open. I'm gonna put some wire up here at the top, close that in, and then I'm gonna wire. I really want to do the wire on the inside, so that way if something was to pull it, it'd have to pull a little harder, but we'll probably just. And then I was thinking, so I just put this up yesterday, so I was thinking maybe I should have waited and just put the wire behind the boards, and then run it up. But we just have to see how that goes. So I got this black plastic up. So this is the whole concept right here. I don't know if y'all seen it, but I divided the two cages into two 3-cage sections. So they're a lot sturdier, a lot more sturdy, and I replaced the floor because I had this wire, which is like a lighter gauge than that wire that I'm about to put up. This is real flimsy. You can see it's already starting to, just. I wanted to go ahead and kill that problem before it became one. And so this plastic here is to show how it's supposed to slope down. All the droppings, the manure, the pee, whatever, supposed to drop down, and then I'm gonna have it somewhere where it could be caught in this bucket, in a bucket sitting here. And try to keep the smell down, cause yeah, it's gonna stink. Look at this one, man. I know she ain't taking